Guys, here is why you should never ever tamper with fire alarms. Remember, this is a very serious safety device. This is going to alert people that the building is on fire and they must get out now. So these are not to be messed around with. Never take the alarm off the wall. Never take the alarm off the ceiling. Never take the plate off the alarm. Never screw or unscrew the alarm. Never paint the alarm. Never take the words off the alarm. Never take the image of the running man escaping from the fire off the alarm, and never cross that image out on the alarm. Never take the strobe off the alarm. Never take the horn off the alarm. Never disable the horn or the strobe on the alarm. Never adjust the volume, the pattern, the candela, or tone on the alarm. Never cut power to the alarm. Never consume or urinate on the alarm. Never put the alarm in water or appliances. Never smash the alarm, never punch the alarm, and never throw the alarm. You don't ever do any of that. Leave the alarm the way it is. Remember, if you break the alarm, you're going to have to replace it. This saves lives, so don't ever mess around with it. Leave the alarm alone. Bye.